Want to unlock exclusive savings on your next American Airlines flight as a thank you for your service? First, confirm your eligibility. Active duty military, veterans, and their dependents may qualify. Visit the American Airlines website and search for military fares. Next, gather your required documentation. This usually includes your military ID, veteran ID card, or DD-14 form. Ensure it's readily available for verification during booking. Now, it's booking time. When searching for flights, look for a military or government fare option. If unavailable online, call the American Airlines Military and Government Fares Specialized Booking Line. Calling in gives you access to dedicated agents who can search and apply the discount to your booking. Ask them about baggage allowances for military personnel, which can be more generous. During booking, whether on the phone or online, be sure to confirm the discounted fare before finalizing your reservation. Always double-check the full price including taxes. And there you have it. Enjoy your discounted American Airlines flight and thank you for your service. Don't forget to share this video with other veterans and military families.